Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today I just wanted to do an extensive video with this machine since we did so much work on it. And so you can see the inside of the machine. Just a little bit of a steam bubble that comes every once in a while out of the vacuum release valve. There's nothing I could do about that. It's just the way it is, but it shouldn't be a problem. And you can see it's nice and clean down here. We put this new valve in here. A lot of new stuff, but it's good. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull the lever with a back flush disc in, just so you can see that there's no leaks when it's under full pressure. We had to deal with a lot of leaks. It was a lot of work. And so we replaced the wiring that we thought was an issue. That switch is new there, that white one. And I don't have a whole list with me right now, but you can just see. And then this is good, not leaking here, not leaking down below. Shouldn't be leaking down below right now until I release it, which it will now. And then we're gonna pull some hot water. Good. And then the steam. Let it come up to pressure first. There we go. It turned off at about 1.25 bar. And we'll go ahead and check the steam again. Nice strong steam. And there you can see it's recovering pretty fast. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.